I got 2 submissions from CGC. Stick around and see what we got. What's up YouTube, Empyre Comics here. I'm back with a new video. In this video, we're gonna open up these 2 submissions that I just got back from CGC. I kind of have a rough idea of what's in them. One has a few bronze and early modern age books, and the other one has a bunch of Black Panther books. But before we get into these slabs, if you like hunting for low budget keys, weekly comic book hauls, CGC unboxings, and new comic book day spec buys, then hit subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. All right, I'm ready to open these up. All right, they got the cardboard on top. Out of the way. Don't cheat. Had to get into these books, but I'm gonna let you guys know, I don't think any of these are gonna come back 9.8. I don't expect them to. These were older books, and I still need to practice more on pressing older books. But with that being said, that's what we got. So y'all don't see it. I got it here. All right. Thor 288. Forget. Let's see what we got. 4.5. Yeah, well, this is a really old book, but this is the first appearance. They didn't even write it down there. It's the first appearance of the One Above All. These were older books that I pressed just to see what kind of grade I could get out of them. But let's get on to the next one. Let's see what we got here. That's probably the lowest, I think. All right. Thor 279. 9.2. Okay, that ain't bad. This is Jane Foster bondage cover. It's pretty cool. I'll take a 9.2 in that. All right. Next one up is Eternals 18. 6.0. All right. Yeah, like I said, this is really beat up. This is from Jack Kirby. Yeah. A lot of spine ticks on here. To be honest, I don't know why I submitted it, but it was one of the first Eternals books I had, so I wanted to get it graded. Plus, it's a book written and drawn by Jack Kirby. So, Eternals 18. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's see. Okay, Avengers 350, 7.5. This is the Starjammers, Professor X, and Cyclops appearance, flip book, double gatefold cover gallery. I thought there was something else going on in this book, but I could have sworn it was something else. That's why I submitted it. But yeah, Avengers 350. And like I said, I'm not too worried about the grades. These were just books that I was testing my pressing skills on old books. So, like I said, I didn't expect a 9.8. That 9.2 is a big surprise, to say the least. All right, Avengers 267, 9.0. This is the KANG one right here. I really wanted this one at least a 9.4, 9.6. Probably could have gotten a 9.6 without that spine roll, to be honest. I'll check the grader notes later. All right, next one. Okay. Oh, yeah, I already just seen it. Oh, 9.8. All right, we got a 9.8. Uncanny Inhumans issue 2. Still pretty cool. 9.8. Pretty cool KANG cover. Is that all? Oh, no, there's 3 more. Let me flip it this way. Jeez. Okay. Oh, this was beat up. But Secret Wars 2, issue 3. I think this was the first cover appearance of the Beyonder or something like that, maybe. 9.2. Oh, it's not bad. I thought this was gonna be like a 7.5. But I could be wrong, but I think this was the first cover appearance of the Beyonder. Next one. Doctor Strange 81. This is the first appearance of that guy at the cover. I don't know his name. 9.8. Oh shit. Really? Hey man, I'll take it. 9.8. Doctor Strange 81. They don't even put this. I don't know why they don't put it on there. You guys let me know. Am I supposed to write it down somewhere on the book or something like that? Let them know it's a first appearance, because a lot of my books that come back, they don't have that written on there.
But I'll take that 9.8. Alright, the last one for this box. Let's see what it is.
What did I get? Okay, Eternals issue 1. This is 9.6. Okay. To be honest, this one looks better than that one. Eternals issue 1.
This from the 2006 one. Alright, let's get to the next box.
Alright, now this next box, these are the Black Panther issue 25. I ordered these from Midtown, and a few of them came with a really bad corner ding to them. I try to press it out myself. I'll put the video here if you guys want to take a look at it. So we'll see what I got. Is it upside down? I think I opened it upside down. All right, let's get the first one. Black Panther issue 25, the Momoko variant, 9.8. That's what's up. It's a beautiful cover though.
I've been digging a lot of
I don't know, man. I don't know. I've been digging a lot of Momoko's covers lately. I didn't like them at first. Let's see. The next one is Black Panther issue 25, the Bustos variant, 9.6. It's not bad. Would have expected 9.8 from this one, but
okay. Next one.
Black Panther issue 25, the Kasara variant, 9.4. Really? I really don't know. I don't know how they grade anymore, because how do these come back 9 point? Man, this is all scuffed up. I don't know if you can see that, but the back of the plastic, it's all scuffed up.
Alright, so next one.
Alright, Black Panther 25, the Gleason variant. Alright. These had that really bad corner ding to them. Let's see. 9.6. Okay. Yeah, look at that crease right there. Maybe you can see it. All right, let's go with the next one. Black Panther 25, the Gleason variant. If I could get one of these in the 9.8, I'll be happy. Oh shit, 9.8. This is dope. Looks pretty dope. I know a lot of people getting tired of the web heads. I still love them. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, Black Panther 25, another Gleason. 9.6. Yeah, this one had it. Yeah.
Same thing. This is actually the one that I pressed out, I think. Well, the one in the video.
All right, another Black Panther 25 Gleason. Can I get another 9.8? Oh, 9.0. Wow. It has a lot of color rub on the spine. I don't know if I would have sent that like that. I might have mixed up the books or something.
Got all of them.
Well, that's all of them. Didn't end it in a good note, but got a few 9.8s out of there. Like I said, the first box was just like a test just to see what I could do. Black Panther ones, on the other hand, I wanted a few more 9.8 out of those. I guess I gotta get better at picking books or looking them over better before I submit them. I have a few books that I'm gonna submit the next week. I already pressed them and cleaned them, but maybe I'll make a video and show you guys which books I was thinking of sending off. You guys can let me know what you guys think. But with that being said, that's the end of the books. Thanks for sticking to the end of the video. If you like the video or learn how dumb I am by submitting these, smash that like button. And until next time, keep specking. Later.